this scene look familiar? The lecturer is talking and talking and you have no idea what he's talking about. Then you suddenly wake up and everyone looks at you. To avoid feeling tired in your lecture, how about sitting towards the front? That way you're more likely to stay awake because you're under the eye of your lecturer. Also, have a bottle of water next to you. When the lecturer gives you a break, it is a good time to go to the bathroom or just have a walk and stretch your legs. Now this is something you must avoid doing when you're in your lectures, because it is rude and because it disrupts other people's education. You should always be respectful to your lecturers. What do you think will happen if you're the type of student that messes about in lectures, but you need help from your lecturer? Would they be easy to approach?
Sir, how did I do so badly?
Well, did you attend my lectures?
Yeah, I was there.
Did you pay attention in my lectures, or were you too busy watching memes on TikTok?
Well, when you put it like that, I guess you're right.
How do you think this situation can be turned around? Boredom or a lack of interest is typically rooted in one thing: the inability to understand what's going on. So here's what you should do: ask for help.
Excuse me, what are the units for Reynolds number again?
Thank you for your question. It's a dimensionless value. Anything below 2300 is considered laminate calculation. There's an awful lot of momentum that you have to factor in, and this is a challenge.
Has this ever happened to you? You put your pen on the paper to write an equation down. Next thing, you look up and the side has already changed. This can happen in lectures, especially when there's a lot of material to get through.
That's crucial. This is where we start. 21 here is where everybody gets it wrong. Really, really simple equations, but we're going to go into them in so much more depth in the next 88 slides.
How about you bring a device with you, or print off the sides beforehand? That way you can look at the sides at the same time. We hope these tips help you to make the most of your lectures and overcome problems like tiredness, distractions, and what to do when you feel like your lecturer is going too fast. Good luck with your chemical engineering journey. See you again soon for more videos.